To subscribe is free. To subscribe yet.
I wish me did find a man like I am love. But guess what? I'm still there the hustling. I don't find a man. So how life I treat you and all these things?
You don't see.
Yeah, me see it.
I want to look at Paul, me put on a show.
You me see it, me love. But me miss up on the work still, you know.
Remember the first time we meet? I'm just get my partner job. I'm done everything for you. I'm tell you, my members, I'm make you know, you know, say, every day I'm gonna have money like this, you know. Cause you see, true, me want the best for you, same way. I done money for you. And here we are, son, now. You hear your talk.
How me sound?
You sound ungrateful.
No, I'm not ungrateful.
How?
Suffering days done. And you see, if you can't put what I want to the table, this don't make no sense. You understand? I'm not ungrateful.
So yeah, say, cause me I want good youth, you know. But you know, sometime in a life, like, some good youth help some youth when them things are good youth. But the good youth never know say the good youth when they help and one good youth.
So wait, what you say?
Alright, hear me I say no, cause I come like a rain and I come really and true like the boy me come back 5 still, you know. Me come to take the bite still, you know.
John, no teacher.
Yeah, bro, cause you know so no disrespect.
Daddy in my pocket for that. Daddy continue give me things that I can't give then. Matter of fact, if you don't want to give me 2 more hours for my father.
You know say, no disrespect. The only time I could have give you right now is 5 seconds for you to come off and turn up on your 2 foot them and go and work out the 2 foot them.
You don't make no sense. Me I go show you how. And me did I run things up there so. And I go show you something. I'm gonna tell you something. Do not come up there and watch me. Me don't want. If me didn't want somebody to watch me, me would have breathe for a long time. I have one little jimble inside of me and watch me. Me don't want you watch me.
You're always welcome. I'm happy to see you there still. You know, no joke.
Maybe so I can remember.
Yeah, man. But not sure you're there run off with a little boyfriend and you feel like say a thing no govern. Your thing govern said do you. Said do you. You know your space, no girl can replace that. So just go and get mad at the thing, you know?
Yeah,
make some money.